Ako manggod ni nakabot. Ako nga ikasulti para sa akong brother Baudilio, being the talagugod o historian of the family. Bata pa ko, I always ask mom, nganong ingana ang ngalan ni Manoy Bobby? So naghisgot siya, his name was derived from Bandilyo sa Bukidnon. Ang radio station sa mga pari diri sa Bukidnon mao ang Bandilyo sa Bukidnon. So gi-invert niya ang letter N. There his name derived as Baudilio. So as a historian, I see my brother as a legacy of our ancestors' wisdom. In him, we see the moral of excellence. Why I say moral of excellence? Because si Noy Bobby, diha ko nakatuon sa iya o body ko niya. Because my sister nang needs eskwela man sa syudad, ako ang babae nga tawagon in replacement to ng needs. So I learned how to cook to Noy Bobby. I learned how to wash the clothes. And then there I learned to all my brothers, if I'm going to wash their clothes, every Sunday I have an allowance to go to Faro Cinema. Wow. So that's the reward I have for my brothers. But most of all, Manoy Bobby become the pillar of leadership of a father and a mother figure. He has been a legendary hero in the history of our tribe. Why? Because there is a dato, what's the cause, who asked, what's the cause of his death? Niingon siya, pagkakuyaw. Nganong kuyaw man? Wala na lang siya ni kaon, and then he just sleep. That's a legend. We cannot fathom what God had instilled to us, but as a genealogy, gitawag nato siya og lintunganay sa kaliwatan. He is an exemplary person for us in the family, to his community, to our workplace, and to our nation as a whole, because not all can be a legend to die just sleeping without sickness. So, Manoy Bobby, I learned from him that patience is inseparable of thriftiness. One tinapa in a plate. Sa usa ka plato, napulo ka bahin sa tinapa. So I asked my brother the sauce. So I'll be the last one to take the plate. And then when my brother saw me that I desire the last that is shared him, he will waive his right and give the whole plate to me. So I have 2 shares to eat, because you can just eat with just a coffee, rice and coffee in replacement. So Manoy Bobby is very thrifty. He got that from our mother. When the budget is going to stretch for us 10 children, kay wala naman si Manoy Kiki, he is going to have a parade for us, gilugaw niya, because the budget is too hectic and could no longer be stretched to a person of to eat a salmon of rice. So 1 salmon of rice for 10 children equals a parade and a salt. And then a budget would sometimes be that we are going to have a viand of tuyo and mantika. So mo na siya nga kung ga-stretch pa ta, wala na sila kakaon karon ang uban nga magtuyo na lang og mantika. So what is the best knowledge I have with my brother? Siya ang nagtudlo sa ako og kagud kay mag-army roll og sinina. Our parents taught us nga dili magawas nga crumpled ang clothes. Our parents teach us, ayaw paggawas nga nakaduster because you are able to face the public. So kinahanglan mo kagud ka kaning balanghoy kay himuon ihoplit sa habol sa mga army roll. Gi-army rollan siya. So magkagud mi every Saturday. Sinoy babi na adya tigpanit. So plansya dayon sa unang nga uling o sa di nato makontrol sunog na atong sanina. Pero diha ko naka-learn from Manoy Bobby ang patience sa iyang, you cannot see his face frowning. Kita kay magkusmaot kung suguon, masuko pa ta. But sa iya, I never had seen a frowning face. He was so smiling. In her spirit, I gained something that to be walking with our brethren, especially our bloodline, there must be entangled of love and respect. So, to Manoy Bobby, he is a legendary hero, a pillar to us. More than ang iyang gihimo sa babae at lalaki. So, I asked my mother nga nung di siya gaminyo, iyang gihangyo si Manoy Bobby. Padakua sa ang imong mga manghod. So there I learned that the advocacy to be singleness, it was Paul in the Bible that had a gift of single blessedness. So he preferred to serve the brothers and sisters in response to the parents' request that he will always be with us. So lami kaayo nga naatay igsuon, nga hangtod matigulang siya, nagserbisyo siya. So his advocacy is exemplary. It can no longer be seen nowadays because today's people could no longer see others' burden. But he is able to be a Carabao of the family. A Carabao signifies the symbolism of hard work. He is a symbol of love and production. So, bahalag magkabaw ang iyang status to the family. For us, Brother Bobby is a hero of love, kindness, sympathy, and expression of generosity and the strength of the unity of the family. Thank you. Good afternoon.